Around this time, I usually gather up a list of what was the best garage door innovation that we saw in the residential garage door space. And there's a number of items on this list that have quickly become my favorites. And I want to share those favorites with you. Let's party. Now, when I say garage door tech, I'm not specifically just talking about the electronic or mechanical openers that we saw through this year, but at the same time, those products that I felt and thought made a difference with regards to the garage door community. For example, one particular product that I really love is the All Brace Strut Killer. This support brace was perfect for those garage door situations where your garage was bowing, bending, and in lieu of using a garage door strut for those 16x7 or whatever size garage door that you have that was a non-insulated regular pan door, you could apply one of these All Brace support pieces into the section and it would support that door to where it would no longer bow or bend. This was one of my most favorite products that I utilized this year, and I wish it was more accessible or perhaps maybe available to the garage door community, but it was interesting to see that not many guys, not many garage door techs, or not many homeowners for that matter, knew about this particular product. I was able to install it in a number of customers' homes, and it worked perfectly because you have a garage door that is starting to wear, that is starting to bow and bend. And instead of putting that garage door strut that would add weight to the door, this would not add any extra weight. It would support the section properly and thus giving a little bit more life to the door. And that value proposition is not something that I can emphasize enough because again, this is an excellent solution for those garage doors that sure you can easily apply a 16-foot strut or use some of those 3-piece struts that are out in the internet, but that will eventually add more wear and tear, that is to your springs. It's going to add more weight to your springs. You'll need to adjust those springs or have them replaced over time. But with the All Brace system, yeah, you won't have to do that. Now, the garage door opener that was top on my list for this year happened to be from Liftmaster. Liftmaster provided us a true flagship experience with their Liftmaster 84504R. And I know that Liftmaster has the 87504 model, but the point that I'm trying to highlight here is that with the Liftmaster 84504R, you are getting all that you need to make sure that you have an optimal garage door opener experience. I love this specific motor because it does come with all the bells and whistles. It comes with sufficient lighting. It comes with an HD camera. It has Wi-Fi connectivity. It's a quiet enough experience. At the end of the day, I think it's going to give you everything that you would pretty much want, I would say, at a better price point compared to the higher end Liftmaster motor. Now, the one thing that the 87504 had to offer over the 84504R was that you were able to move that HD camera, but that changed earlier this year. Liftmaster no longer allows homeowners or customers or even dealer contractors to reposition or move that camera. And that's a smart move because some homeowners were repositioning that camera to the degree that it was ripping out or damaging the wiring to that specific feature. Now that the 87504 and the 84504R both have just stationary fixed cameras, you're not able to move them. Well, again, they're pretty much on par. You're just going to get a little bit more lighting out of the 87504. Where I would spend my money, it would be in the Liftmaster 84504R, because to me, that is a true flagship experience. Now you're probably thinking, which was the wall mount garage door opener motor that I considered the best throughout this year? And even though I played with all of the 3 offerings that you can get right now in the Pro line channel, that is the Liftmaster 98022, the Genie 6170, and the Guardian 928 motor, to be completely honest with you, my pick and my choice still this year, I think for a 3rd time in the row, it's going to be the Genie 6170. Now that's not to say that those other motors are not worth considering. Quite frankly, I think the Guardian motor has come out with a really nice design. They are thinking outside the box. You don't necessarily have to install an additional accessory such as the light fixture or the cable tension monitor, because this specific opener does allow you to omit the cable tension monitor. But Guardian still has a long way to go with regards to their name recognition and to be able to win the confidence of the end user and ultimately the dealer contractor. They have made an excellent product with regards to this wall mount garage door opener. Nevertheless, I don't see many asking for it. They're mainly looking at either the Liftmaster or the Genie product, and I do highlight the benefits of this specific operator. I'm trying to do my best as a dealer contractor to get people aware of the Guardian 928 opener. Still, the Liftmaster 98022 operator is getting a lot of buzz. The buzz that it's also attracting is a negative buzz. And what I mean by that is that with that specific opener no longer having a cable tension monitor, it seems very sensitive on some specific doors closing. I've heard a number of other customers, other end users, homeowners, and even dealer contractors shared experiences on this YouTube channel of many that are having that exact same problem with that specific wall mount opener closing, and it's just not one that I can truly recommend right now. Now, there was one item that came out this year that is related to the garage door industry, but not necessarily a piece of tech, but was close to my heart, and that was from our own merch store, our own Torsion Trucker caps. So we're gonna zoom in here real quick. Hey party people, hope you're enjoying the video so far. If so, please hit that like button, and I do hope you consider subscribing. Now I'd like to take a minute to talk about our video sponsor, and our video sponsor is our own merch store. On our merch store, we offer Torsion Trucker caps with a variety of different torsion spring sizes. Our caps are high quality, perfect for men and women, young and old. More importantly, they are distinctly color coordinated for the spring of your choice. They're great for anyone, and they're perfect conversation starters. So one way that you could support our channel is heading over to our website and picking up your very own Torsion Trucker cap. Link in the description. Now, along that same vein, on this channel, I do get to, from time to time, review a portable power station. And even though portable power stations aren't necessarily directly in the garage door industry, I do feel and I believe that they have a place within the garage door space. That is residential garage doors, knowing and recognizing that a portable power station can get you out of a bind, specifically when you do not have power to your home. And granted, I realize that garage door openers, especially here in the state of California, have to be installed with a battery backup, but a battery backup is only going to solve part of the solution, because battery backups, actually the batteries themselves, need to be replaced every 2 to 3 years. So if you're not making that effort to replace those batteries and you simply disconnect it and forget to do so, and in the event of an emergency, you're trying to get out of your garage and there's no power to the actual opener, well, yeah, you could be in a pinch, you could be in a pickle. And that's where I believe portable power stations can come in clutch. In fact, the portable power station that I simply love and I thought was a real game changer was the All Powers R600. I love the fact that I can utilize an app with it and I'm able to get certain metrics or certain readouts from it. I love the fact that it's able to power quickly with the power cord. This particular portable power station is my go-to when I'm on a job, so that way I don't have to connect my battery charger to an outlet from a customer's home. And I've seen this, actually I've been in this scenario where I plug in my specific charger or my specific drill or my specific saw into the customer's outlet. Next thing you know, it blows out something, a GFI, something within the circuit, and that's a situation that I do not want to be in. Therefore, a portable power station serves my purposes, and it allows me to pretty much integrate in what is my workflow to make sure that all of my devices are powered. It's just one of those pieces of tech that I feel that are perfect for the garage door industry and what I consider as one of the best techs that I saw this year. Now, the one piece of tech that truly made an impact on me, specifically on this YouTube channel, came from the amazing team from Infinity Shield. Now hear me out, because I really don't think people understand the benefits of having a full spectrum garage door safety sensor system that's going to be able to detect anything as it crosses through those beams. More importantly, this type of out-of-the-box thinking is something that shook up, I would say, the garage door industry in a way that people should seriously consider how they use their garage door system on a day-to-day basis. In fact, there have been a number of times that I have been out to a customer's home where their car has simply ran through, jammed through, destroyed the garage door because, again, those safety sensors, the OEM manufacturer sensors that are installed at the very bottom of the door tracks simply did not detect the vehicle. And that's why Infinity Shield is so important, because it can mitigate those type of situations and scenarios with your garage door system. Now, I'm not saying it's completely foolproof, but it does offer a level of protection and a level of security, at least peace of mind, to know your safety sensor system to your garage door opener is going to be able to detect a lot more than just what's simply passing in that 6-inch space just above those other original OEM sensors. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh, Infinity Shield is paying this guy to say this. And no, that is not the case. Quite frankly, I believe in this product. I believe garage door technicians, garage door contractors, and garage door companies, both in the manufacturing of garage door openers and even in the dealer contractor side, should carry this product more often. Whenever I find something that is truly innovative, a type of system or a type of solution that is going to keep your family and you safe, well, that's the way to go. It's really about that, and that's why I like to create these lists, I like to make these comparisons on these review videos, and I like to provide you the necessary information to make a smart buying decision. In addition to that, we also have videos reviewing these garage door products, so let's keep this party going. Check out one of these videos right here. As always, I want to thank y'all for partying with me. Y'all stay safe.